Hey guys, welcome back to Idaho Dual Sport. We have a couple more little things to touch up on. In the last video, we got the roof on. We got the roof can't say shingled, re-roofed, okay? So, so that's done. It no longer leaks in here, so we're happy about that. And the next day it snowed, so the timing was like perfect that we got that done. Also, I forgot to mention in the roofing video, if you are a roofer or if you know someone that roofs, thank you and thank them because I absolutely despise roofing. It is a very, very hard thing to do where you're up and down and everything's heavy, and man, much respect for roofers out there. I mean, I framed houses for 5 years or something like that when I was younger, and that's hard work, but roofing is a lot harder, I think, like by far. So if you're a roofer, thank you for doing that for society. That is really incredible that somebody could do that day in and day out because I was pretty much couched up the next day. Anyway, today I'm gonna get a garage door on this thing, and you can see I got my outlet up there. So I've already run power to it, and now I just need to get it installed. So I got this kind of a Black Friday deal. I got this Genie 1055, model 1055. So I've got all the parts out here, and I've started to sort of assemble the track here. It's just a belt drive. Kind of cool. It comes with a battery backup. So if power goes out, you can still open the garage. I don't know how many times you can open and close the garage, but you can open and close the garage even when the power goes out. So belt driven, so it's going to be super quiet, which I don't really care either way, honestly, if it's quiet or not. And yeah, wireless keypad for outside, and then you got your button for inside and one for your rig. So this ought to be pretty easy, I think, to set up. So we'll go ahead and run this on here and get that front done. And then also today, I have a deadbolt because I bought it in like a kit for this door, but I don't want to have to carry keys around with me. So I bought a keypad deadbolt for that, and that showed up today from Amazon. So I'm going to put that on too, and then that way I can open and close, everything's locked, secured from I can do that from the outside, because kind of right now I can only lock the garage door from the inside. So if I leave, all I can do is close it. I can't lock it unless I go all the way around and keep a key on me for that door, which is just unacceptable. Nobody's got time for that in this day and age. So keypad, garage door opener, and yeah, let's get to work. Well, that wasn't so bad. Garage doors and garage door openers are a lot easier to install than you would think. I'm actually surprised before I walk into the bad lighting. So yeah, that's it. So garage door openers installed. Got the truck button programmed. Got the keypad programmed, and we are all set. So I think I might work on the keypad on the back door. I might save that for tomorrow. I think I'm good for today. It's like 20 degrees out here or something like that. You can see my breath. Can you see it? Oh yeah. Yeah, it's cold. So I think I'm good for the day, but man, thanks again for joining me. We are once again another step closer to the Dual Sport shop. So next step will be getting that back keypad installed so that this is all lockable in here. And then we'll have a nice, safe place to work on bikes. And I can get off onto some other projects without worrying about this being at least done enough for now. We'll work on siding later. So, man, thanks again for joining me. Idaho Dual Sport. We will see you on the next one. Peace. I almost forgot the battery backup. So that's installed. That took all of 2 seconds. It's just 2 bolts go into that plate that it's attached to. Then it slides into that plate and plugs into the top of the garage door opener. Easy peasy, battery backup. I've never seen that before on a garage door opener. So that's new to me, but a great feature, especially since I got this opener for 98 bucks. Black Friday special. All right, that's it. I'm out.